Alright, here we go, round 4. So round 4, once again, looking at our quick notes here, with round 4 we are going to go ahead and we're going to do chain 1. Now look at the asterisk, that means this is a repeating part, and the repeating part is 2 single crochets into the next single crochet stitch from round 3. That's where our marker is, and then a single crochet in each of the next 2, and then repeat. We're going to get 24. So think of it this way. So we're going to chain 1, and then the pattern or the rhythm is 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. So that could be like A1 A2 B C, A1 A2 B C. Think of it that way. And we're going to have to get all the way up to whatchamacallit, we're going to have to get up to 24 and do not turn. So in other words, we're not turning this anymore. So let's go ahead and begin. And so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to chain 1. Okay, we're just going to do a simple chain. And now, right in here, it's kind of hard to find it, right in here we're going to go ahead and do 2. You know, sometimes the marker can get in the way, so let me go back one step here. Okay, where are we? We are right there. Okay, so, alright, let's do this again. So there's that hole right there. That's where we want to get inside. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 1. Here it is. Chain 1. Now I'm going to start my single crochet, and I'm going to come right in here. So I'm going to go ahead, and you know, since I know it's right there, I'm going to go ahead and take that out just to make it a little bit easier on myself. I'm going to go right in here, and I'm going to go ahead and do 1A1. Now I'm going to stop, and again I'm going to go ahead and mark this right here. Okay, so there it is. There's my first single crochet chain. My first single crochet. And you know, sometimes look at these markers, because I think I kind of marked this wrong. Let me see. It's because I get the fibers, and sometimes paper clips, they catch everything. They're not as smooth. There we go. All right, bam. So that's 1A1, and now I got to do 2A2, 3B, 4C, 5A1. Remember, I got to do 2 1 1. 5A1, 6A2, 7B, 8C, 9A1, 10A2, 11B, 12C. Again, each letter is a chain from the previous round. Okay, so 11. Let me make sure, because I already lost count, but I know that that was C. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I guess I don't have 11, I have 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So we have 12C. Let's go here, 13A1, 14A2, 15B, 16C, 17A1, 18A2, 19B, 20C. And we need 24, 20C. 21A, 22A2, 23B, and 24C. And wow, that ends really nicely right at the very end. Let's count one more time. It should be 24. And I'm going to talk about this shape that we're looking at here. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Perfect. So let me see. Oh yes, and let me go ahead and let's see what this was, round 4. Let me go ahead and do a slip stitch, and we're not going to turn, we're going to do a slip stitch, and then I'm going to talk about this shape. So here's that first stitch, right? So I'm going to go insert right in here. Again, that's why you want these markers. They're really good. And we're going to go ahead and pull through, and remember, keep pulling through. Alright, now you can also use these markers, like if you want to stop crocheting and you want to take a break or what have you, you can also use these markers to hold this in place. And you see, it's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to go anywhere. And then when you come back to start, you know that you need to start right here. But look at the shape that's occurring. We are getting a hexagon shape. Side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going like this, like that, and like that. If we look at the large one, that's the same thing. You're gonna see, it's kind of hard to tell here. But that is happening because whenever we do, remember we started off the previous rounds with 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then we are going 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and you're going to see that the next round is going to be 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So we're expanding, but we still gotta do these corners. These corners are the ones that have the 2 single crochets inside the chain, and that's how you start giving it a geometric shape. Next round is round 5.